How to copy your YouTube video link in 2021, and that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to go to any of the video that you want to copy the link, and then I am showing this tutorial in my channel, so you can see this. So what you have to do is you have to click on the three dots of the video, and then you have to click on the share button in the bottom pop-up window. When you click on the share, then here you can see the copy link. So you can see the copy link. So when you click on the copy link, then here you can see that you have copied the link. And if you are watching the video and then you want to copy the link, then if you are watching the video and then you want to copy the link, so what you have to do is you have to click on the share, and then you have to click on the copy link, and then you can also copy the link while you watching the videos. So you have to, if you are watching the video, so firstly what you have to do is you have to click on the share button, and then you have to click on the copy link, and then you have copied the link. So that's it, that how you can do this. So if you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video and comment below that it works. Have a good day.